bringing tips and trends to you. Get ready to vibe, it's the Vantage Vibe Live, the source for the latest apparel and decoration. It's the Vantage Vibe Live.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vantage Vibe Live. We hope you enjoyed last week's episode on the 2021 core collection.
Today we wanted to talk about Earth Day as it's coming up on April 22nd, and we wanted to talk more about how businesses and consumers can do their part in taking small steps towards being more sustainable.
Remember, be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you can tune in with us every Wednesday. Let's get started.
2020 was a year that brought out more than its fair share of climate challenges. Because of this, consumers have now become more aware of their purchases and are now looking for companies and brands to do better. One of the best steps that we can take as everyday shoppers is to look for brands with more ethical product lines. Let's take into account our business partner, 1% for the Planet. Their mission is to bring dollars and doers together to accelerate smart giving. An unstoppable global movement, 1% for the Planet, allows business partners to partner up with a nonprofit partner that aligns with their values and give back 1% of their sales to those organizations. Considering brands that include charitable components will allow you to make a difference and feel good about your purchase.
One word, recycling. One of the best things that we can do as a society is reduce less waste, utilize less harmful materials, and utilize those extra materials to create something new. At Vantage, we utilize Repreve recycled polyester made completely out of recycled water bottles to create our eco-friendly Earthwise collection. P.S. This collection gives back 1% of sales to nonprofit organizations. Although it may not seem like much, in the long run, this collection helps reduce the amount of water bottles that fill our landfills and oceans, keeping the future in mind.
Volunteering is a great way to make a positive impact on your community and also preserving Mother Earth. Obviously there's so many different challenges that Mother Earth is facing, and by doing so, we can really take a good step and make a difference. This may involve cleaning up your local parks, planting trees, growing a community garden, and so much more. Vantage participates with Clean Ocean Action as our favorite nonprofit to donate to and actively volunteer in. This organization is dedicated to protecting our waterways and reducing the plastic that pollutes our beautiful oceans.
By now, many people are aware of how much material goes into packaging products. We've seen many plastic bag bans occur throughout many states in the US in hopes that many consumers would rather utilize reusable bags for their purchases. A few general tips would be to find cost-effective alternatives to plastic. This means looking into biodegradable packaging materials, utilizing eco-friendly shipping supplies, and eliminating unnecessary packaging. We've partnered with Eco & Close, a leader in eco-friendly packaging supplies, to replace virgin poly bags with 100% recycled poly bags made from post-industrial scrap.
When it comes to shipping, transportation pollution is one of the biggest greenhouse gas emitters. A suggestion to reduce this would be to use less transit as well as using less energy to source a product. We can definitely introduce this into our supply chain. As a society, some of us utilize private transportation like our vehicles to get to place. But one of the biggest causes of global warming is just that. A great alternative for all would be to consider walking or biking when possible, utilizing public transportation, or carpooling with friends and family.
If you like this video, be sure to give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, leave a comment on how you do your part to protect our planet.
Don't forget to check out our description box below for more information and resources on today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next week.